Hey people, Anthony 4x4 Diesel. We're just here slowly progressing, setting up another PRADO hospital, and just thought we'd do a bit of a tool talk. Just collecting a few of the basic tools at the moment. So I thought I'd run through a few of those for anyone that's looking at what sort of tools they might need. Maybe we should start down the end here, I think. So I just got a few things out, just having a look what I had here in my collections. And you know, sometimes you need high quality tools for specific jobs, and a lot of the time a real value for money set like this one pretty much nails everything. This is a metric set. You can see it's got the 1/2 inch, the 3/8 and the 1/4 drive. It's got a heap of sockets and other bits. It's got Allen keys, it's got deep reach sockets. They are single 6 points, so single hex, which is awesome. Awesome, look at that. You can close it up and they don't all fall out. You got to open it the right way. If you're banging around, you might have a few fall out. And if there wasn't enough Allen keys there, here's some more over here. So that set was pretty cool. That's your basic setup kit. The trusty old Stanley screwdriver set. I've got an old Australian made set of those. Obviously these ones aren't going to be anywhere near as good quality, but I still like them. And of course your small ones over there as well. Just turn that radio down. This Repco set seemed like value for money. Again, just your basic go-to, everything from 6mm all the way up to 24mm. So, and that wraps up. So if you want to chuck it in the vehicle and take it with you. Aldi, they have some specials every now and then. For those tools that you rarely use, like to be honest, I rarely use stuff like this, but it's handy to have ratchet spanners with angled heads and, you know, certain particular jobs. And you know what, generally, anything will do. I just grabbed these because they were 20 bucks. I went, you know what, you can't beat it. And these as well. How about these? A set of spanners with the angle ratchet head, 20 bucks. A few basics, your knife, your tire pressure gauge, your mirror, a couple of king chrome screwdrivers, a flat and a Phillips, so some better quality ones there perhaps. The king chrome set, this is the 3/8 set. Some Torx Allen key bits, some Allen keys. Another cheap super tool set that, you know, I think it was a garage sale job, 10 bucks. Some quality pliers. This is just the small set of pliers, snips. Of course, there's going to be more tools to come. Those king chrome flexi uni joints always come in handy, not uni extensions. We're going to need some, you know, vice grips and that sort of thing as well. But these, you know, that's where you need quality. When it comes to you need to grip something, that's where you need top quality tools. But if you need to do you know, you're not a Sparky. If you're a Sparky, you buy quality. But if, you know, if you need to use tools like this, and you can get a set at, again, Aldi for 10 or 20 bucks. I don't even know. It was that cheap. I just went, grab me another set. Because the thing is, you can never have enough Phillips heads. You know what I mean? Where's my Phillips head? Where's my Phillips? Where's my 10mm? Where's my 10mm, right? So you have a heap of these things. Of course, when it comes to files, you may as well get quality. So, and of course, it's just a cheap multimeter, anything that'll give you the voltage. We've got a scan tool, just the basic scan tool at the moment, and of course a few different hammers. 3 bucks, the craft right. I mean, it's a rubber mallet. Why would you need to spend any more money? Got the king chrome dead blow, so that's pretty happy. Again, just the cheap, you know, something when you got to give something a good knock around, some decent size that you're going to use with that big chisel. That no chisel here yet. Of course, safety, some gloves, some earmuffs, some gloves, earmuffs, safety glasses. Again, I don't rivet much stuff, so a cheap rivet gun, so we got something there, and a headlamp so you can see what you're doing. If we keep moving along, let's get to the Ryobi area. So, you know, always got your impact driver, basic impact driver. We've got a few of those around the places, and your kits with all your bits and pieces always comes in handy. Anyway, we've still got some work to do here, and you might be thinking, oh, so why wasn't there a video last night and the night before and this sort of thing? Well, there wasn't a video because you guys need a break, just like I need a break. So we didn't put out a video. So that's the go. We didn't put out a video the last couple of nights. I think I put a short one out this morning or whatever. So this is tonight's video. This is what's happening today. Can you believe it? Yes. What's happening today? So what we're building here is a PRADO HILUX engine replacement hospital. Okay, so there will be hopefully a hoist here very, very soon. So stay tuned on details on which hoist and that sort of thing. And I'm going to try and set up, as I do, try and set up a discount for you guys so that if you are interested in getting a hoist in your workshop at home, you know, you've got an option. And I'll tell you about the paint, the epoxy we used on the floor. I'll tell you about these benches. I'll let you know if they're any good or not. I'll let you know everything we've used and everything that's any good and everything that's not. So there's obviously quite a bit more tools. We're going to need some toolboxes. We've got the pegboards here so we can peg a lot of the regularly used stuff up. So this is really handy shelving. We'll get to that in other videos, tell you more about it. But what you can do if there's not videos, as I said, we're going to not put some videos out from time to time. We might even go to every second night for a while, and that gives you time to go and have a look at some of the older videos. Do some searching depending what you want to look at. What else do we need here? What else is really important? Some light. Let's get some light on the job. Yeah, how's that? Did that make any difference on the camera? I don't know. So we've got some light here, so certainly not a morgue in here anymore. Look at that, see? Look at that lighting. Awesome. We'll get a shadow from that, or anyway. Oh, hang on. There we are. Anyway, bada bing, bada boom. That switch doesn't do anything, mate, so. All right, so basically, bada bing, that's about it. If there's not a video, go ahead and watch that. If you want to know more about the PRADO HILUX Engine Replacement Hospital, subscribe, turn the bell on. If you want to know more about all the products, the shelves, the tools, that sort of thing, reviews on this sort of thing, stay tuned because there will be more videos soon. So the PRADO HILUX Engine Replacement Hospital, it's basically a specialist setup, so engine replacement specialist. So if you do happen to crack a piston because you didn't get the information in time, and you got to have your licorice all sorts, but if you didn't get your information, of course, your molly coat, your ultra grey, you know, some tape, your Loctite, of course, you never know where there's going to be some mozzies. If you didn't get the information in time and you didn't, do the maintenance right and replace injectors, or you got a blocked oil pickup, we know there's a lot of problems with some of these replacement engines that are rebuilt and all that sort of thing. Let's not go into that because it's all negative. It's only brand new engines. We're going to have them in stock here is the plan. And bada bing, if you've got your RAC Total Care, it's somewhere you'll be able to come and get your engine replaced. Location near Bendigo in Victoria, so regional Victoria if you like. So I believe that anyone with RAC, whatever, top level of cover can get the vehicle towed to a specialist. But obviously sticking to the right maintenance and injector replacement intervals, that sort of thing, is going to be better than getting to that point. But it's very rare that it happens, but it's always the people that didn't get that maintenance. Now, just looking at these, what's the quality of these going to be like compared to, can't even get them out anymore, okay? Nice tight pack, okay. We're going to have to use them a bit and see what they're like. We've got some other sets of screwdrivers there. Been doing a bit of tool shopping, and, bada bing. These may or may not be for you. A lot of people are going to say, yeah, the quality of these, not the best, but it all depends. Again, it depends what job you're doing. This will certainly do the job. A whole heap more of these there as well. So just wanted to show you, these are your basic go-tos though. This is your go-to stuff, quarter drive sets, throughout drive sets, some spanners, some screwdrivers, some spanners, but if you're looking to add a bit more into your workshop, these sorts of things can help you get in places that are a bit harder to get into. Of course, some usual basic tools, so we went through all that. Bada bing, that's the video. G'day, bye-bye, bye-bye. Subscribe if you like, and catch you on the next video, guys. See ya.